This is reverse waterfalls.
See the reverse falls. Few drops going
You
upwards.
can compare the smaller one
Kavala point.
which flows from above downwards, and the nearer one is the reverse waterfalls. The mechanism of reverse waterfalls is whenever a small waterfall flows from above downwards into the big valley, if there is a huge wind blowing from the valley towards the top, it takes water droplets from the waterfalls and blows it from below upwards. That is how it looks like water droplets containing in curtains. This waterfall is found in Kavala Point on the way to Amboli. It is very rare to find such reverse waterfalls.